Hi, ymarfer y dydd heddiw ydy press up. Today's exercise of the day is a press up. Dwi'n ddangos i chi dau gwahanol press up. Hanner press up a press up llawn. I'm going to show you two types of press ups. Half a press up and a full press up. Hanner press up. Penglinia ar y llawr. Dwylo yn lefel efo chest. Dod ar hips ymlaen. O fanna, gwllwng i lawr, push i fyny. Gwllwng i lawr, push i fyny. Da ni ddim yn pwsio'r hips yn ôl. Da ni dod ar hips ymlaen, so bod y sgwydda a'r chest yn lefel efo'n dwylo, lawr a fyny. Half press up. Keep our knees on the floor, making sure our hands level with our chest. Push your hips forward a bit. Drop down to the floor and push up. Drop and push. Don't push your hips back. Keep them forward. Drop down and push up. Press up llawn, union un peth efo'r dwylo. Cadw nhw lefel efo'n chest. Da ni'n codi'r penglinia i fyny wrth y llawr. Da ni'n mynd lawr, push i fyny. Gwllwng i lawr, push i fyny. Full press up. Same with our hands. Keeping them level with our chest. Lift your knees up off the floor. Drop down, push up. Drop down, push up. A dyna ni ymarfer y dydd. And that's your exercise of the day.